guys, so I'm going to be doing a highly requested skincare video today and what I use. If you're familiar with my videos, you know my room is very hot, so please disregard the fan in the background. Okay, so into the skincare, we have things that I use on a daily basis, things that I use on a every other day basis. What we have is we start with cleanser. Every day, and I'm gonna have something down below that tells you on day 1 I use this, on day 2 I use this, just so that it kind of tells you, like, instead of you trying to follow this video, it just tells you point blank what I use. So first of all, I use Cetaphil cleanser every day, and I use that in the shower, and I use that on a knockoff, what are they called, those scrub brushes? Oh my gosh, Clairsonic, a knockoff Clairsonic, like a no-name Clairsonic. So this is in the morning I do this. I have to wash my face in the morning to like wake myself up. I know that there's like this movement online about not washing your face in the morning, but that's like not an option for me. I go ahead and do that. On day 1, I will go in with the Ordinary Hyaluronic Acid plus B5 serum, and then over top of that I will put the Ordinary Matrixyl 10% plus hyaluronic acid on top of that. I will then use the Jeffree Star Morning Dew Hydrating Eye Cream. I really enjoy this eye cream. I will then use the Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair Regenerating Cream. So that's the morning of day 1. After the morning of day 1, if I'm wanting something a little extra boost, I use the Jeffree Star Magic Star Glow Face Mist. Really like this as well too. And I can use that, I'll use that any day. Like I'll use it on day 1 or day 2, depending on how I'm feeling. Okay, so for day 2, this is kind of hard to explain, so my apologies. For day 2, I'll go ahead with the Cetaphil cleanser. I just use the regular one. And then when I get out of the shower, I will use the Ordinary Lactic Acid 10%. Yours might not come this color. Sometimes I guess the color changes depending. I don't know if that's true, but anyway. And then I will use the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Eye Gel Cream over the lactic acid. And then I will use the Jeffree Star Magic Star Hydrating Moisturizer on top of that. For a nighttime routine, I don't follow my nighttime routine as stringently as my morning routine. My nighttime routine is a little more lax, a little more, if I go in the pool, I'll do it. If I am wearing makeup that day, I'll do it. Like, in certain situations where you're not feeling like your skin is as clean as it should be, I will do my morning or my nighttime routine. But most days I don't. So my nighttime routine, I do not use Cetaphil cleanser. I just go in with the Jeffree Star facial toner. Actually, before that, I use the Kirkland Daily Facial Towelette. These are what I use to remove makeup too. These are really good. I love this product. Then I go ahead with the Jeffree Star Strawberry Water Facial Toner. I really like this as well too. I really like everything that I'm showing you guys, honestly, so disregard that. Disregard the shit I'm talking. And then I will use the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hydrating Serum. I will use one or the other, just depending. Like, it doesn't really matter. My nighttime routine, I'll use one or the other. Every night, I use the Laniege Lip Sleeping Mask. Someone's doing grass, so I apologize if you can hear that. But Laniege Lip Sleeping Mask, this is in the grapefruit flavor, but all of them work the same, really, in my opinion. On days where I am, what is it called? Dermaplaning? using one of those razors to like scrape off, because I do find that that is really good for exfoliation. I will use the Nivea Men Sensitive Aftershave Balm for, what is it called? Dermaplaning? Okay, yeah, it's dermaplane. I dermaplane maybe once or twice a week. I've been trying to find something to remove a dark spot under my left eye, I think it is. Yeah, just down here. It's just like a sunspot. And I haven't really found anything. I was using the Kiehl's Clearly Corrective Dark Spot Solution, but I'm not really finding that that's doing much. So still on the hunt for that. If you guys have any dark spot removal serums or anything like that, let me know. But yeah, and then at night, I will sometimes spray the Jeffree Star Skin Lavender Lemonade Sleep Mist and call it a night. I also forgot to mention that I do get Botox in my chin and in my forehead once or twice a year. I don't spend a lot of time on makeup anymore. I don't really wear makeup as much as I used to. I definitely spend more time on skincare. And I keep all my skincare in this little tiny Hello Kitty basket. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy the video. This has been super highly requested, and I hope that I covered everything efficiently. If for whatever reason something confuses you, let me know, but I'm gonna go ahead and put a little kind of checklist, I suppose, down below, letting you know what I use on day 1, day 2, and then for dermaplaning I use this, and yeah, that type of thing. So I hope you guys really enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day. Bye!